Just get a dentist. Hey. Oh, right. You clicked on this video because we're gonna do the studio tour. Got it. No, I totally forgot. But no, you're fine. Let's go inside the studio. It's right there. Come on, let's go. Come on. All right, so let's get into this video. Again, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And it's also a 3-part collab that I'll mention the collaborators in the end of the video. You guys know who these YouTubers are, so you definitely wanna go stick around. They're absolutely amazing. Also link them in the description below. But let's get ahead and start this studio tour. So this is where I film all of the magic YouTube videos that I have on my channel. Magic, questionable, but let's go ahead and start off with the tour. So obviously that's the front door. To the right, you have a bunch of shoes. So I have a few more shoes in there. I have some of my favorite shoes kind of displayed, some Air Jordans. I have some Yeezys. Yeah, just some of my favorite shoes that I like to wear on a daily basis. The lights went out on the bottom. I don't know what's going on, but you move to the right, bam, you have the official essentially the merch closet. So all the merch that I have, I like to get every piece in every color, just see how it looks, how it feels. Link will be in the description below for merch, but that's essentially all the merch and sort of video clothes that I wear in. Hello, how's it going? Move to the right, you have a nice little couch, which I like to just, lay here and just think about all the YouTube videos that I have to create, and I don't sometimes. So this is just a nice place to ponder, but then also I get to look up at the beautiful wall of ukes. These are all Enyas, these are Novas. This is the Enya AUC 25D, absolutely one of my favorites. And you kind of go more over there, another bookshelf and a few more ukes up there, but this is honestly one of the most comfortable places I feel like in the house, just because I'm surrounded by my ukes, also my shoes, my laptop, which I get to look at every single day, but most importantly, the beautiful ukes, and just get to hang out here, which is nice. So thumbs up for that. But yeah, this couch is awesome. I don't know where I got it. I'll leave a lot of links to everything that I mentioned in the description of this video if you're interested in getting it. But yeah, absolutely love how this wall turned out. Moving on, couch. So we go around. Boom, these, I need to figure out how to properly store these or like make them more organized. A lot of uke gig bags. This one is from Amazon. I'll link this one below because I really like how it looks. It has these like pineapple and flowers. It's for a concert size uke. A lot of these have ukes inside of them. So I have all of these ukes displayed, but a lot of them are also in there. A lot of them, these I have just as display because I use them a lot. My baritone, which I absolutely love. So moving now on to the main section of this room, you have the lights. These are LED lights, which are absolutely amazing. Game changer, my ring light, which I absolutely love. Another LED that's basically makes this room 1,000 degrees. It is so hot in here when I start filming. It's bad. I have my Blue Yeti mic, which I absolutely love. Also a game changer. I'll link this in the description below. My mic stand, a little, I forget what this is called, but like I call it a little muffler, but I don't know what it is. Forget the name of it. My laptop and my screen that I added onto it. And this is also where I do my live streams for YouTube. So this is where I look at when I'm on live stream. A bunch of some of my favorite ukes as well. I'll link these all below as well. And my camera, this is the Canon 80D with a Rode mic attachment onto it. So then I get sort of two different mics. So the Rode mic and then also the Blue Yeti mic. So it's like a backup. And this would be, both of them, highly recommend. Also, I like to keep on my desk my little tiny hands and my little mic, and then also obviously the Potato Squad and some tuners. I have a bunch that I just keep on my desk because you never know when you need a good old tune up. So I have, this is Kala, Enya, this is Snark, and this is like a cool little owl one that I got on Amazon. I'll link this one below because I think it looks cool. But yeah, that's kind of mainly my setup. Again, just a bunch of lights just make this room 80,000 degrees. It's boiling hot in here. Fun fact, I also have my guitar back there, which obviously I don't get to because I don't play it as much, but this year I'm trying to learn how to play the guitar. I have some LED lights that I like to string up. Also, again, on the shoe shelf, LED lights, and then also behind the couch, LED lights. I wish it was dark here so you can kind of see what it looks like. Actually, you know what? Let's make it dark right now. That was cool, wasn't it? That little transition of night to day. Absolutely amazing. But yeah, I really like it when it's dark and it's at nighttime. I get to relax, especially with all the lights down, LEDs on, different colors. I'm either editing on my desk or sometimes I'll just edit on the couch, and it's absolutely amazing. You guys have been asking me what my favorite ukes are. I'm gonna be biased and I'm gonna say that my signature uke from Leilani Ukulele is my all-time favorite. It's absolutely amazing. Link in bio if you do want to go get this. This is my signature uke, so obviously I gotta love it, right? Because I designed it and it has my initials on the 12th fret. Absolutely beautiful. Also this one, you guys, this one is probably one of my favorites as well. Super cool, very rare. Super expensive, but let me know in the comments below if you know what the name of this uke is, because it's amazing. I absolutely love it. So we'll just put that there. But yeah, that's pretty much my studio in a nutshell. It's not very big, but I try to make it as cool as possible, as zen as possible. I'm literally in this room all the time. It's literally just where I'm spending 95% of my day, just being surrounded by music, by ukes, by editing, by this beautiful face right here. This is one of my favorite pictures I've ever taken in my life. I think it's a screenshot of one of my videos when I was freaking out like, I can't do this anymore. If I can find the clip, I'll insert it in here or I'll just upload it to YouTube randomly, but I was like freaking out. So obviously, a great time. All right, so that is it for this video. If you did like this video, and make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, links to everything that I mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so make sure to go check that out. Make sure to show the other 3 creators that we're doing this collab with some love on their videos. Make sure to send the Potato Squad love. I'm gonna play you guys out with this amazing uke that I have. It's super rare, nobody else has it. So thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Let me know what you guys liked in the studio tour. What was your favorite thing? Leave it in the comments below. I'll be responding, answering, and just loving all your comments. So thank you so much for watching. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.